Hello, friends. Welcome to Zero Fear Math. We are here to solve the math without fear. My channel basically conducts classes in the Hindi medium, but I got some suggestion from my students that we are living in the South Zone, that's we are not able to intercept the language Hindi. So please conduct the classes in English also. Today, my chapter is Heron's Formula. We are going to conduct this class in English medium to benefit all those students who are living outside non-Hindi background. Yeah, maybe living outside India also, where Hindi is not so much in practice. So today, our class is the topic of the classes today is Heron's formula. Basically, in India, this is the chapter of class 9 textbook, chapter number 10. But Heron's formula is common to everywhere. So we will discuss this formula. Earlier, what we have learned that we need to find out the area of a triangle. Basically, this is a method by which we are calculating the area of triangle. This formula is derived by a mathematician named Heron. Okay. In earlier classes, you might have gone through a specific formula of area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 into b into h. Okay, 1 by 2 into b into h, where h stands for height of the triangle. H is equal to, suppose, 10 centimeter. Okay, now b stands for base of the triangle, that is also 10 centimeter. We are taking this for understanding. Okay, so what we have learned in the previous classes, that if we just apply the formula 1 by 2 into b into h, then we will get area of a triangle. So you can say 10 by 10, 100 divided by 2, 50 centimeter. Area will be always written in centimeter square, because is area unit is square unit. Meter, if it is meter, it is meter square. It is, if it is kilometer, it is kilometer square. Okay. Now one different problem arose. We found some triangles in the question where height of that particular triangle and the base is not specified. For example, you can see I am drawing a triangle on my screen. Let's suppose this is a triangle named A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. What is given in the question? I will just write on my screen. Now, a specific question on my screen, that is, find area of a triangle whose sides are 40, 32, and 24 centimeter respectively. Earlier we are knowing the formula is 1 by 2 by into b by h, but here neither we are getting b nor we are getting b, but we are not getting the h. To solve such type of problems, a great mathematician named Heron, basically from Alexandria, derived a specific formula to calculate the area of those triangles where base and height is not available, all those sides are available. Then he had just narrated a beautiful formula known as Heron's formula to give him honor. The formula is S is equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. You may ask a question that what is S, sir? Okay, because in the question nowhere it is mentioned that S is something. So S is not a very big deal. S is a simple derivation known as semi-perimeter. S is equal to known as semi-perimeter, and it stands for perimeter by 2. So here we can see three sides are there. A, B, C, if we are imagining that, then S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Very simple. S stands for semi-perimeter. We can find by dividing the perimeter by 2, it is S. Perimeter we can find by adding all the sides of that particular triangle. So in this question, we may say we are having A, B, C. Okay? Just I am rubbing this first. You have understood now what is S, semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. In the question, you may see there are three sides. We are just calculating S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So we can just write the corresponding sides. We can write 40 plus 32 plus 24 by 2. If you add this, you will get 4 to 6, 6, 4, 3, 7 to 9, 96 by 2. You will divide by 2, you will get 48 centimeter. You can say that we have got the value of S, that is 48 centimeter. Now its question is very easy. We are just apply and simplify it, we will get the answer. So yeah, this is the area. Okay, area we will find out. First, we will put the value of S. S is already we are knowing that 48 centimeter. Now times S minus A. S minus A, that means 48 minus A. What was the A? 40 times. We can also write S minus B. 48 minus B is 32. Again, we can write S minus C. 48 minus 24. As we are solving this, then we will find 48 times 48 minus 40 is equal to 4. Okay, 48 minus 32, it is 8. Sorry. Again, we will write just a minute. S is equal to 48. S minus A will be 8. S minus B will be 16. And S minus C will be 24. These are the complete data by putting the value of S minus A minus B minus C. Here we can have two ways. First, we should multiply all these things and find the square root of this. But hence you are taking lessons with zero fear math. I will tell you some shortcuts. Okay? You might already be aware if any two multiples are there under root, we can just escape one outside the square root. 48 can be written as 16 into 3. Any issue? No issue. 16 into 3, 48. 8, it can also be written in the form of, let it 8, let it be 8. 16 I can write 8 into 2. And 24 we can write 4 into 6 maybe. 16 will come out as 4. 8 into 8, it will come out with 8. Now what left over? 3 into 2 into 4 into 6. So 3 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 24 into 6, 24 into 6. Even these two may also come out as 2 square. So now we can write this. So after multiplying 8 4 is 32, 32 3 is 96, 96 into 4, 96 into 4, 6 4 is 24, 93 84. We are getting the answer 384 centimeter square. It's very simple calculation. Now we will see Heron has derivated something. whether is applicable for all those formula which already we are knowing. For that, we will have an experiment with you. For the, for solving this, we will take example just of an equilateral triangle. Okay? First, we are drawing an equilateral triangle. You just see what we will do. We are just supposing that the sides of this equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter. What our aim is, we will try to derive the area of this particular equilateral triangle by both methods. First method, we will use the basic method what we have learned in earlier classes. Now we will apply the Heron's formula for the same question. By applying these both formulas, if we are getting the same answer, then we can say that answers are correct and the formula what has given by Heron is correct. Yeah, it is already correct. But hence you are studying with zero fear math, you should doubt every question. When you will doubt every question, you will get a good concept and good memory boosting system that will enhance your studies in very profound manner. Now, what we will do, we have just taken a question ourselves. It is equilateral triangle. What we have studied in earlier classes, that area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into a square. How this formula is being derived, you can just go through my playlist, that is mensuration, you will get all the answers how we are getting this formula derived. So after solving this, we can write 3 by 4 into a square. We can just write 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Answer is 25 root 3. No issue. Now what will we do? We'll just apply this question. We'll solve this question with the help of Heron's formula. And how we are doing? Just we are writing A, B, and C. These are the three sides of equilateral triangle. As per question is 10, 10, 10 centimeter. Okay. Now what we will find? We will find first S. S is equal to A plus B plus C. It's very simple. You might have remembered till this time. Then after solving, we are getting 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 2. It is 30 by 2 means 15 centimeter. No issue. Now what we'll find? The area. Area of a particular triangle will all sides are known. Then we are just putting the formula what we have learned in earlier classes. S into S times S minus B times S minus C. Is there any issue? Simple. Now we are putting the value of S. S what we have found? That is 15 centimeter. Okay. We will write down the 15 centimeter as S. Now A, B, C both are A, any S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, everything will be equal. And what it is, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So we can write S minus A 5, S minus B 5, and S minus C 5. Okay. So what we got finally, 15 into 5 into 5 into 5. We can also write 15 in the multiples 5 into 3. Any issue? You're not in a table. We are writing this 5 into 3. You can also calculate this by multiplying and getting a square root of the particular system. But zero fear math always tells you the shortcuts to derive the formula more easily. 15 can be written as a in multiple of 5 into 3. Now see, we have got 4 pairs of 5. This means we can say it is 5 to the power 4 into 3. When it is coming out of the square root, basically if we are finding a square root of 5 to the power 2, what we will get? We will get 5 to the power 2 into 3 will be as it is root 3. 5 5 is 25, 25 root 3. The magic answer come. Now compare, if we have used the formula, the basic formula of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into a square, what we have got the answer? We got 25 root 3. We have calculated, you know, or even we applied the Heron's formula, then also we have written the answer is 25 root by 3. It's a magical formula. You can apply it anywhere, any triangle. If you need to calculate the area, yeah, any, then you can easily apply Heron formula. It is very much lovely formula. Okay. Now I will also give some example of some more questions to enhance your clarity towards this subject. And basic request from all of you, if you are liking the way of explanation, I am doing just for you. If just for that seek purpose, just click the subscribe button and just give me motivation to conduct my classes in more proficient, profound manner, and it will be helpful to you also because Zero Fear Maths mission is to eliminate the fear of maths from this entire universe. Because when I was in my childhood days, it was very difficult to learn maths. Now it's very easy. I will make you easy for you. Press the subscribe button and go ahead. Now I have put another question on your screen for the better understanding of what we have learned in this class. Now, what Zero Fear Maths makes you understand that if you are given with any question, now first thing you need to read the question carefully. Point A. Point B, you just write all the data which is already provided to you by the examiner's question asker. Okay. And then you just think he what the question asked me to derive. Okay. And also you think if for the particular derivation, what data I am already having and what data I need to calculate, which formula I need to paste, I need to analyze, I need to solve to get that particular answer. The first secret mantra is to read the question carefully. If you are residing in any country, any place, this formula applies to everyone. Now we are going to read this question carefully. Now go through the question which is on your screen. Traffic signal board indicating school head is an equilateral triangle with side A. Any issue? Very simple question. You're going to school, you have find a traffic signal board, okay, which sides are A. So just I am drawing that particular board. It is just a minute. My pencil not work well. This is the board A, and A. So my question is that I need to derive area of this particular triangle with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, go ahead. Here, what we are finding that side is available. Very easy. We can calculate area. What formula we will use? We'll use the Heron's formula. Why? Because question is asking solve it with Heron formula. If you are using equilateral triangle formula, easily it will be root 3 by 4 into a square. Solve. But question is asking use Heron formula, and it will also help us to know that whether this formula is working properly or not, whether it is the basic formula or the Heron's formula. So we will use the Heron's formula for this simplification. So what we are telling that first we will calculate S. As we have learned, it is semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. Simple. We can write A plus A because A, B, C are equal. Hence, it is a equilateral triangle. We can write it like this: 3A by 2 is equal to S. We can write na S is equal to 3A by 2. Now, what we need to do is we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. No issue. In this question, we are knowing A, B, C are equal. We can write na that S is equal to S minus A, S minus A, S minus A, because A, B, C are equal. Now we will calculate A. Okay. Hence we are knowing S is equal to 3A by 2. Okay. So what will be the S minus A? Just we are calculating by replacing S with 3A by 2. We are writing A by 1. Fractional subtraction is there. We'll take LCM of 2 and 1. We'll get 2. 2 1 are 2. It will be 3A. 1 2 are 2. It will be 2A. And that means 3A minus 2A, A by 2. It is A by 2. And we can say that S minus A is equal to A by 2. Any doubt? Then just comment on ask again, no issue. But you need to learn this properly. Now, what we can write? S, we can write 3A by 2 in place of S. Why? Because we have already calculated S is equal to 3A by 2. Okay. We will write here S is equal to 3A by 2. Or S minus A, what we have calculated? A by 2. We can write A by 2. All these three data is A by 2. No issue. We'll write 2 times A by 2, A by 2. Now, if we are simplifying this, what we will get? Multiplying the denominator of all this, it will be 3 into A to the power 4. Downstairs, we can get 2, 4, 8, 16. 16. Okay. No issue. So here in the square root box, you can see A4 and 16 are the perfect square. Okay. We can get a square root of this. So after solving this, we can get root 3 will come outside the box as it is because it is not a square. A4 we can write A square and 16 can be written as 4 because 16 is 4 by 4. It will come out as 4. So see, root 3 by 4 A square. So was the formula of a equilateral triangle to calculate its area. What we have solved in the very first instance, it is root 3 by 4 A square. So by solving after even Heron's formula, we get the same output because mathematics, you take any way, the answer, the path will be same and the answer will be the same. So we have learned today. Next question is, if find its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? Now next question come, the perimeter is 180 centimeter. Okay, then find its area. The first thing in equilateral triangle, we are already knowing that all three sides are equal. Any doubt? If doubt is there, I am having a class already on YouTube that specified class about the triangles. You can prefer it. Now, it is equilateral triangle. Image may vary, but we can say perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter. Hence, we are knowing that equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. So we can write CA, what is the perimeter side, is equal to 180 centimeter. A means 180 by 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. You can write easily. Now what we have found that the sides of that particular signal board is 60 centimeter by each side. Okay. Now we will calculate this area with using Heron's formula. Okay. What we will do, area of triangle, formula is S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. S we have calculated, S we have not calculated, yes, we will calculate. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, yani 180 by 2, we can write 90 centimeter. Okay, no issue. So we can write this 90. S minus A, it will be 30 because A, B, C are equal, so you can write 30, 30 into 30. Okay, now again, we will write 90 as a multiple of 30 into 3, 3 into 30, 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Any multiple in the pair will be out of the box, the square box, square root box. So you can write 30 into 30 into root 3. And in 900 root 3 is the correct answer. It is the area of a particular information board or signal board. So today we have learned the application of Heron formula. Basically, we have also revised the application of area of equilateral triangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle. If you like this video, must share with your friends and colleagues and classmates who needs to know the Heron's formula. Thank you. And if you are having some more doubts regarding this chapter, you may definitely subscribe this channel and just comment in the link. You will get answer of all the question, what doubts you are having. So again, you are weighing. Welcome to Zero Fear Math, where we will eliminate the fear of math. Please subscribe it and motivate. Thank you.